Because technology gives a more opportunity for study purpose. And
I was wondering why technology is so important for student these days. Hello, Sharia. How are you?
I am over the moon. What about you?
Well, by the grace of Allah. Where are you from?
I am from Kustia and right now live at Hazaribagh in Dhaka.
Okay. So, are you a student?
Yes, I am a student full time at English Fantasy.
Okay. A while ago, I saw you reading something. Why are you reading?
I am reading article on my books.
Okay. I was wondering why technology is so important for student these days.
Because technology gives a more opportunity for study purpose and many kind of resource available in internet, and every student easily reach out any kind of apps and your study purpose any kind of question easily solve this answer.
What kind of apps are you suggest for learning English?
I mean Duolingo and English Fantasy apps in available in Play Store. Then every student beginner easily reach out these apps and easily find out your problem.
Okay, so that makes sense. Can you give me more explain?
Yes, technology gives more opportunity for your student career.
Okay, is English fantasy helping you to learning English?
Yes, because English Fantasy is daycare and residential care facilities, and every mentors are so helpful, and every person speaking English, and in this environment fully English, and that's why I suggest every student you come English Fantasy.
Okay, nice to talk to you. I think we should go for our class.
Yep, go now.
Okay.